Hello, this poem is called Pieces. The remaining pieces follow me. My puzzle falls when I come to see what follows me. Pieces falling off consistently, and ones being put back on. I move on, trying to get to an answer beyond. I am enslaved to these thoughts, these pieces, new and old, more bold and cold, are on hold with my soul. The remaining pieces follow me. It is lovely but empty. Meant to be what it is supposed to be, passing tests, feeling blessed, things that come off your chest. It is a continuum. You're meant to make the right choice, and at the end of the day, you are gifted with the pieces of your puzzle, coming together for you to disappear here, lovely but empty. Thank you.